how to start a career in digital marketing. I have got this question so many times, especially from the youth. So if you are the one who wants to start your career in digital marketing, so do watch this video till end. I will be explaining a 3 simple step formula through which you will be able to start your digital journey today. So let's get started. So hello everyone, welcome to my channel Digital Shivani. Before starting the video, I will request you that if you have not followed me on Instagram, so the link in the description, you can follow me on Instagram as I'm very active on my Instagram account, and if you have any query related to digital marketing, you can simply send me a DM on Instagram and I will be more happy to help you out. So let's get started. So how to start a career in digital marketing? Okay, so I shared that first of all, you have to understand that digital marketing is a practical based option. If you're thinking that you will be listening to thousands of videos and you will be reading so many blogs and you will become pro in digital marketing, and when the time will come, you will be able to apply those strategies. But let me tell you, you are very wrong. If you are simply listening, if you are simply learning and you are not applying that knowledge to the practical scenario, so you won't be able to learn. I also used to think the same. So मैं आपको simple एक छोटी सी advice दूंगी. आप कहीं से भी सीख रहे हैं. If you are learning from me or you are learning from any other digital marketing trainer, first of all, you have to learn and you have to apply those knowledge. If you are not applying, so you won't be able to understand the in-depth that what is the pros and cons of that particular strategy. So please keep learning and keep applying that knowledge. So let's get started. So the step number 1, digital marketing सीखनी कहाँ से है? लोग बहुत ज़्यादा confused हैं. तो I'll tell you a simple thing. अगर आपको पैसे नहीं खर्च करने हैं, people used to give lots of reasons that मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है तो मैं digital marketing नहीं सीख सकता. Very wrong, guys. I have not spent a single penny in learning digital marketing. मैंने भी digital marketing पूरी free में सीखी है. So I will be sharing you the main resources जहाँ से you can learn digital marketing free of cost. Number 1, Google Digital Unlocked. ये Google का खुद का कोर्स है और इसमें पूरी कंप्लीट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्स अवेलेबल है. नंबर 2, Moz. Number 3, HubSpot Academy. Number 4, Neil Patel. My mentor. From Neil Patel, I have learned each and everything. So I will be giving the links of all these courses in my description below. So you can simply go to these links to go to these sites from my description box. So if you really wanted to, if you don't want to spend your time in like researching the free resources, and if you are ready to spend the money, so I will tell you the free course as well, that Udemy. Udemy is a very great platform. You can simply go to Udemy and you will find so many courses. I think the minimum cost is like 500 and 600 rupees. In just 600 or 700 rupees, you can get the complete digital marketing course. So you have both the options. You can either go for the free one, or if you are ready to spend the money, so you can go for paid one. I don't support the paid courses because I have also learned digital marketing in free of cost. So first of all, start learning, guys. Don't say कि मुझे digital marketing कहाँ से सीखनी है. You simply go to Google and type what is digital marketing. You will get thousands of videos, thousands of blogs. So start learning. There is so much resources available on the internet through which you can easily start learning digital marketing. So first of all, you have to learn. So now go to the step 2. अब आपने digital marketing start कर दी है. So you don't have to stop here. I told you that whatever you have to learn, you have to apply that knowledge. So second step I will share with you is that you can go for the internship in a company. Internship, I also started my digital journey with an internship. I got a job of digital marketing. Simply it was an internship in digital marketing. So I also started my journey with internship. I simply started working in a company Obviously internship में you are not in liability on a company is paying you very less or they are not paying you, right? So you get so much आपको बहुत ज़्यादा freedom मिल जाती है to apply your knowledge, right? Where in a company I used to handle lots of projects, I worked on the live projects, I used to learn in the night, like I used to come after job and मैं बहुत पूरी रात blogs पढ़ती थी, videos पढ़ती थी, but next day I used to apply all the knowledge on the practical projects, and after applying I used to analyze that knowledge, guys. सिर्फ लर्न करना, उसको अप्लाई करना और उसके बाद उसको एनालाइज करना कि what is working and what is not working is very important. So I started my digital journey with an internship and I have created a very good career in digital marketing and I started with an internship. सो आई विल रिकमेंड यू, अगर आपको नहीं पता कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कैसे स्टार्ट करनी है, आपको वेबसाइट नहीं बनानी है, आपको बिल्कुल भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तो आप किसी भी कंपनी में एक इंटर्नशिप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. आप लिंक्डइन पे जाओ, यू सिंपली क्रिएट योर लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल और आप अपनी लोकेशन में यू कैन सिंपली सेंड द रिज्यूमे टू द HR ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन और naukri.com और बहुत सारे ऐसे साइट्स हैं जहाँ पे फ्री में आप अपना रिज्यूमे अपलोड कर सकते हो. और एक इंटर्नशिप के लिए एवरी कंपनी विल बी एबल टू गिव यू एन इंटर्नशिप. डोंट रन बिहाइंड द मनी. अगर आप स्टार्टिंग में ये सोचोगे कि कंपनी मुझे क्या दे रही है, डोंट थिंक ऑफ दिस. आपको सिर्फ ये सोचना है, चाहे आप फ्री में काम करो बट यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. So this is a very good option that you can easily start with an internship in any of company where you will be applying that knowledge directly on the live projects और आप exactly सीखोगे. मैंने जब live projects पे काम करना सीखा, I learned a lot of things. Okay, SEO ऐसे करते हैं. Then I handle social media profiles. मैंने बहुत सारी ads run करी. I started learning Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, the email campaigns, the SEO. तो धीरे धीरे obviously it's a very long journey but I learned I was very lucky to have an internship in that company and I learned everything in that company, but like I was learning in the night and applying that next day on my live projects. So this was my journey. So you can also start with an internship in a company and you can start your career in digital marketing. Or if you don't want to go for internship, so the step 3 formula is you have to create your own website. Yes guys, आपको simply अपनी एक website create करनी है. Now don't give reasons that you don't know how to create a website. Simply go to YouTube, type in there that how to create a website. आपको इतनी सारी वीडियोस मिल जाएंगी एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, आपको एक 3-4 पेजेस की वेबसाइट बनाने में सिंपली 2 to 3 आवर्स लगते हैं. सिंपली आप एक डोमेन नेम बाय करो, जस्ट क्रिएट अ वेबसाइट एंड स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन दैट. बिकॉज इंटर्नशिप में क्या होता है, वी आर इन लाइबिलिटी ऑन अ कंपनी. ऑब्वियसली वी आर वर्किंग ऑन द लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो देयर हमारे मन में एक डर होता है कि एग्जैक्टली कि हम कुछ गलत ना कर दें. बट दिस इज योर ओन साइट, ये आपकी खुद की वेबसाइट है. आप जिस भी चीज के ऊपर पैशनेट हो, लाइक आई एम पैशनेट अबाउट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, राइट? तो इफ यू आर पैशनेट अबाउट एनीथिंग, आप सिंपली एक इंडस्ट्री चूज करो, आप अपनी वेबसाइट क्रिएट करो एंड लर्न ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट. एंड डोंट फियर दैट यू विल फेल. अगर वो वेबसाइट फेल भी हो जाएगी, डोंट वरी, यू विल लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स. आपको डरना नहीं है, दैट इज योर स्टार्टअप. आपको ये सोचना है कि आप वो वेबसाइट बनाओगे, उसी वेबसाइट की सोशल मीडिया प्रोफाइल्स बनाओ, उसी वेबसाइट पे सारी स्ट्रैटेजीज लर्न करो. आपको लर्न करना है, अप्लाई करना है, एनालाइज करना है. ये सिंपल 3 स्टेप्स फॉलो करना है अपनी वेबसाइट के ऊपर. आप वहां से एसईओ लर्न करना शुरू करो कि आपको ये सोचना है कि हाउ टू रैंक योर वेबसाइट ऑन गूगल्स फर्स्ट पेज. Then learn how to handle the social media profiles, that how to do Facebook marketing, how to do Instagram marketing. जब भी आप कोई वेबसाइट बनाते हो, आप गूगल एड्स में अपना अकाउंट बनाओगे, यू विल गेट अ 2000 क्रेडिट. तो आप वहां से एड्स बनाना सीखो. इट्स ओके इफ यू विल फेल, इट्स ओके. फर्स्ट टाइम में सब फेल होते हैं. व्हेन आई वर्कड ऑन माय फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, आई ऑल्सो फेल. आई डिडंट गॉट एनी रिजल्ट्स फॉर द लास्ट for the next 4-5 months. I was used to learn like hell कि why this is not happening, but I didn't stop. तो I am giving you an option कि आप अपनी खुद की वेबसाइट बनाओ and you have to think maybe that website will turn into a very big startup. मे बी आपकी वो वेबसाइट बहुत फेमस हो जाए एंड आफ्टर 6 months 8 months you can offer a service or a product on that particular website and you can become famous in the industry, right? So you have to think very positive, make your website, apply all these strategies on the website without having any fear, guys. This is your startup. Don't worry if you will fail, but you will learn, right? You have to make the social media profiles of that particular website. So धीरे धीरे you will get to cover all the digital marketing channels, because जब आपकी खुद की वेबसाइट होती है, आपका खुद का प्रोजेक्ट होता है, तो you particularly love that project. और in order to make the project famous, you will simply learn all the things and you will apply the knowledge and maybe you will become an expert in digital marketing. वैसे nobody is an expert in digital marketing, but you will be able to learn in lots of things with your blogging journey. So you can simply start with a blog. You can simply make a 2-3 pages website, start writing blogs, start applying the strategies of the SEO, start making social media pages and start your journey with the blogging. So I shared you that you have to buy a course or a free course or a paid course. Then you have two options. You can either go for an internship or you can go for your blogging journey, right? Or other, if you feel that you have become like you have completed all these strategies related to digital marketing, so you have another option to start your freelancing business. Yes, आप अपना खुद का freelancing business शुरू कर सकते हो. This is the advice for those जिन्होंने पूरा digital marketing का course complete कर लिया है. I will not recommend अगर आप start कर रहे हो, so you can simply go for the freelancing business, because obviously freelancing में अगर आप किसी client का project उठाते हो तो आपके ऊपर एक liability होती है. So I don't want कि आप एकदम starting में ही फेल होने के चांसेस ज्यादा होते हैं. तो either you go for internship or you go for your blogging journey. But if you feel that you have completed the course, you have become like little bit, you have understood the industry and you know that you can handle the project, so you can go for your freelancing business. बहुत ईजी है. आप अपनी लोकेशन पे, आप अपनी फैमिली में, फ्रेंड्स में, किसी को भी पूछ सकते हैं. एवरीवन वांट्स दी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग सर्विसेज, तो आप उनसे स्टार्ट करो, राइट? कोई आपका फ्रेंड है, कोई होटल बिजनेस है, कोई रेस्टोरेंट है, आप वहां पे जाके बोलोगे डोंट थिंक ऑफ द मनी इन द स्टार्टिंग. अगर आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट 5,000 10,000 बहुत ही कम कॉस्ट में मिल रहा है, जस्ट टेक इट गाइज. एटलीस्ट दैट विल बी योर फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट, राइट? स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. You will be able to learn a lot of things from that first project. So you can start your freelancing business and slowly and steadily, when you will be handling lots of projects, and maybe you will become an entrepreneur in your coming journey. So this was a guide from me that you have to learn by simply a free course or a paid course. That is totally depends on you. Then second, you can go for an internship if you don't want to make your own website or something, so you can go for an internship. I also started my digital journey with an internship. And step 3, I will share you that you can start your own blogging journey. You can start your website on anything on which you are passionate about and start your journey with that. And the step 4, if you are really comfortable in handling the projects, so start your own freelancing business of the digital marketing. Maybe it will convert to a biggest digital marketing agency in the coming years. So this was the steps from my side. So you can apply these steps and you can simply start your career in digital marketing in 2020. So guys, in last I will share you one important thing. चाहे आप internship करो, चाहे आप अपनी blogging journey शुरू करो, चाहे आप अपना freelancing business कर रहे हो, but you have to keep yourself updated. Digital marketing is a very evolving industry. Nobody is expert in digital marketing because every day marketing trends change, the things change. So you have to keep yourself updated. Today also I keep half an hour or 1 hour in every day for my personal learning. You can learn anything, but आपको ये सोचना है कि आपको हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ नया स्किल या कुछ नई स्ट्रैटेजी लर्न करनी है, because self learning is very important. So whatever you are doing, you have to keep learning, keep applying and keep analyzing. आप लर्न करो, उसे अप्लाई करो और उसको एनालाइज करो कि वो कितना काम कर रहा है और कितना काम नहीं कर रहा है. तो सिंपली लर्न, अप्लाई एंड एनालाइज and start your career in digital marketing in 2020. And I hope you do wonders in your digital marketing journey. Or if you have any problem or still you have any query, so just comment below. I will be more happy to help you out there. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video. So if you are new to this channel and you're not subscribed to my channel, so do subscribe it, and please click the bell button so that you get notified whenever my next video will come. So next, I will end this video with a very positive note that get up and start working on your dreams. Let's grow together. Thank you so much.